Hello friends, today we are going to start a very important chapter of your aptitude, that is syllogism. So this chapter have a very good weightage in your examination. The concept behind it is very simple to understand. Just you need to focus on the things that is said in the following examples. Okay, pay attention towards it. We are starting with syllogism. So here is question that only a few polar pairs are polar. So only a few means this, only a few means some polar bears are polar. So some bears are polar. Okay, this is polar, this is bear. Then no black is a bear. So there is no black is bear. So this is black. There is no relation between black and bear. Okay, there is no relation between black and bear. So the question is all polar be all polar black is a possibility. So whether this is a possibility that all polar can be black. So yes, there is a possibility. If I can draw a circle like this, all polar can be black. There is a possibility. If the possibility word is not there, so you cannot do this. You have to just see the picture. But whenever they give you possibility, then you have to check whether we can change the condition or not. Now, second question: all bears can never be polar. So these are all bears can never be polar. So I told you whenever there is never word or this, so that means what, all bears can never be polar. So this simply means no. Okay, so all bears can never be polar, right? This is bear, so all bears can never be polar. This is bear polar. So can it happen without violating this condition? If I this cannot be happen, right? Because all bears can never be polar. So if all the bears become polar, then what will happen? The first condition can be satisfied or not. We have to check for it, right? So if I make like this, all bears are now polar. All bears are now polar. Only a few bears are polar. So yes, out of those few, for by example, I just explain you. You are in India, right? If I say all Indians are American, right? So if I say you some Delhi are Americans, so yes, it is right, right. The Delhi people or the Hyderabadi people or Pune people will automatically become American because this is that. So some condition will agree. So this both condition will agree. So the answer will be yes. Okay. So both condition will be yes and satisfying. So here we are going to start with syllogism. I told you in concept video what are the cases, how to draw diagram. So let's move forward. So there is first statement that all cuts are remote. So I told you whenever there is all cuts, so that cuts will come inside and the other one will come outside. So this will be cut. This will be your remote, right? All cuts are remote. Now you can see all cuts are under remote. No remote is cut. So this is remote and there is no relation between cut, remote and bag. This is bag. Okay. Okay. So that means if you go from here to here, there is a gate that prohibit to go so. So no cut is a bag. So here is a cut, here is a bag. You have to see that whether this relation is possible or not. So if you come inside this, if you come inside this, then what it become all bags are remote, right? So this is no we have condition given that no remote should be bag. So no cut is a bag. So cut and bag cannot establish a relationship. So this cannot be happen. Now no bags are remote. Bags, it is bags. Okay, no bags are remote. No harms are, some harms are. Okay, there is third statement as well. So third statement says that some bags are harms. So this is bags, this is harm. Okay, so some means some portion of it is. Okay, so this is harms. No harms are remote. No harms are remote, it is said. So this is not, this is no harms are remote, this is not possible, right? Because this harms can intersect here, right? this can be intersect with remote, right? This humps can intersect with remote. How can we do that? This is cut, this is remote, right? This is harm, okay, harm, and this is bag, okay. So there is no relation between bag and remote, right? But there is a relation we can establish between remote and bag, right? We can establish without violating this condition. You can see all cuts are remote. No remote is a bag, no remote is a bag, right? There is no relation. Some bags are harms, some bags are harms, still the condition is applicable. So no harms are remote. So we can see that this is not true, harms can be remote, right? So this is false statement. So both statement is false, okay. So statement first as well as second is false. So here is a question. This type of question is no statement question. So whenever you see no or not in a question, you have to apply a shortcut that I'm going to tell you. So for no, you have to change that some sentence into some, and some will change into all. Okay. So this is the shortcut that you have to apply. So what exactly, whenever you see no type of sentence, then you have to apply this cases, means you have to check for the statement that I'm going to show you now, not for the exact statement that is given to you, right? So examiner is not a fool that he will give you direct statement and you can directly check out. There are certain things you have to find out, and this is a trick that you have to see. If this statement, the opposite statement, or the statement that we make, if it comes true, then the original statement will comes false. If this statement comes false, then original statement will come true, okay. So opposite of this we are going to make, because we are doing the same. No dog is horse, so we have to make some dogs are horse, right? So some dogs are horse, that we have to make according to statement. So if this is totally opposite, right? So if it comes out to be false, that means the first one was correct, or the opposite one will be correct, right? All cats are dog, so our first statement is all cats are dog. That means cat is here, dogs are here, all cats are dogs, right? Satisfy. No cats are horses, so there is no relation between cat and horses, right? Horses and cat, there is a fight, we can say simply, right? So they ask you no dog is horse, the first statement, okay. So what you have to make, some dogs are horse, some dogs are horse. So you have to check whether some dogs are horse, or you can make this condition without violating these two condition, okay. So you can make uh, some dogs are horses. So what I can do, I can do like this is some dogs are now horses, right? So this I can do. Still there is no contact between cats and horses, so my condition, first condition, all cats are dog, is same. Cats is here, dog is here, and horses condition also matching. No cats are horse, so there is no connection between cat and horse. So this statement comes to be true. That means opposite of it means the first one will be false, okay. Second, some dogs are not horses. Means what? All dogs are horses. Are horses. Opposite of it, we have to check. So to make all dogs as horses are horses, so what we have to do? This is your circle, right? So this is your horse circle. You can insert it like this, right? You can insert over it. So all dogs will become horses, or you can make like this. All dogs now become horses, but the condition will now violate that no cats are horses, but here it is violating cats become horses if this happens. So this statement is false, means the original statement will be true. Now third statement, some horses are not dogs, means all horses are dogs. We have to check that all horses are dogs. So what we can do, this is dog, horses, all horses are dog, we have to check for them. So I can do this another circle, right, of horses. So after that the horses and cat, still no cat is horse, and we kept the condition same, and we also satisfying some horses are not dogs, and opposite of it is all horses are dog. So all horses now comes under dog. So yes, this condition satisfied. This is coming true, means original answer was false or opposite of that was false. So your answer should be statement 1 is false, statement 2 is true, and statement 3 is false. Okay, this is how you need to solve it. So here is a question, that no type question. All cuts are remotes. This is all your cuts that comes under remote, right? Remote. And no remote is bag. So remote and bag, there is no relation, right? No relation. So third is some bags are hams. So bags is there. Some bags are hams. Okay. So here is a question. No cut is a bag. So no statement, you have to do opposite of it. Means some cut is bag, right? Some cut is bag. Can you do this? Can you do this without violating those conditions? Some cuts are bag. You have to check this, right? Opposite of it. So if you insert cut under this comes under remote, but here we are told that this should not be there. And if you insert inside it, then also it get violated. This statement, some cat cut is bag is false, right? Cannot be happen, right? It cannot be happen. If you do like, or you can touch even this remote circle, this back circle will touch, and this will violate the rule, right? There will be relation, and here it is said that no remote is a bag. So this is false, means this is true. Okay. Now second condition, no arms are remote, means some arms are remote. Some arms are remote. We have to check for it. So some arms are remote, that we have to check. So this is arms. This is your remote. So some arms are remote. Can I do this? Yes, I can do this. I can do like this. Remote is this. Cut is this. Arms is like this. Okay. Arms is like this. And bag is like this. So I have to check the condition. All remotes are cuts. All cuts are remote. Correct. No violated. No remote is bag. Still, bag and remote, there is no relation. Currently, they are not intersecting to each other. Some bags are hums. So some bags are still hums, right? So this statement, some hums are remote. This is coming true. So opposite of it will be false. So first is correct and second is false. Okay. So first statement is correct and second is false. So this how you need to check no or not type of problem. Okay. So here is a question that is in front of us, that only a few cakes are chocolate, means out of this is cake, this is chocolate. So only few means little part is of cake is of chocolate, right? Now the second statement, only a few candies are chocolate. So only few means what? Little portion candies is chocolate, right? Conclusion, at least some cookies are cakes. Second conclusion, all candies. And third statement is also there, all chocolates are cakes. This is chocolate. So chocolates, all chocolates are cookies. So I can say that this can be like this, overlapping, right? All chocolates can be cooking. So at least whenever you see in any word, so don't consider at least. Okay, don't consider at least. Okay, so at least will basically do what? It means nothing. You not need to worry. Keep at least as it is. Okay, or just ignore that at least. So what is the statement now? Okay, so all chocolate are cookies. So I overlap those things. So after overlapping, what it means all chocolate and cookies come together. Or else what I can do, I can make a big circle, but it will violate the condition, right? What was our condition? That all chocolates are cookies. That is the condition, not all candies are cookies or like this. So do that much only what is told to you in a question. So some cookies are cake. So here are cake. This is cake. This is candy. This is chocolate, and above it is all chocolates are cookies. Cookies is above it, so some cookies are cake. So yes, it is there, some cookies are cake, so this is true, right? Some cookies, you can see this chocolate and cookies circle is overlapping, so this is overlapping with cake as well, so some cookies are cake. All candies can never be chocolate. So here is a uh, candies, right? And they told you all candies can never be chocolate. So can all candies? So you have to do never and no statement. I told you all candies can never be chocolate, right? That means this candies, all candies can never come inside this, right? Can never come inside this. So all means what? It is not inside it, right? So we have to check condition. If we put it inside all candies, right? So can it violate the condition? Only a few cakes are chocolate. So candies condition we have to see. Candies, so only a few candies are chocolate, only few candies are chocolate, they said. So if you insert it, this will not happen, so this is wrong statement. So statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is wrong. Thank you.